What sort of industries and case studies are you seeing, the most interesting? And I appreciate this is brand new, right? As I said, this is a bit of a world exclusive for us. But in terms of the companies that you've spoken to in regards to Odyssey, and maybe you've touched on Odyssey Anywhere, what sort of sectors are you seeing a lot of interest in?
Well, primarily it's been businesses who have a lot of data. Historically, They've got a lot of data and they'd like to leverage it for competitive edge. So that gives it a very wide canvas. But we're a startup, so we've got to focus. We've got limited resources as well. So our focus at the moment are industries that are led by compliance, because for them, privacy, trustworthiness of data, fact checking, etc. And the fact that they are socially conscious. So they don't want to go away and use a public LLM that uses electricity of the size of a mini town to summarize something or summarize 5 documents. But also businesses that they have multimodal data, which is they have meetings, they've got recordings, telephone recordings, they've got recordings from different webinars, compliance-led, that they'd like to relate with different types of data to gather that complete knowledge. So compliance is an area that are really, really hot on this, and they want something that they can really trust. So Odyssey is playing in that space. Another space that's fast coming up is legal, which is a part of compliance, but they can't make things up. So they have tons of data. They want to understand what cases can be used, what's happened before, draw insights from previous cases. Cuts there. Our pilots have shown that it's cut down their ability to extract information and be more effective and be trustworthy by an order of 20. What used to take them a month, now they're doing it in a couple of days. That's the pilot so far. I'm sure there'll be areas that we need to look at. Again, as you said, this is new, brand new, nobody's done it, but we've seen that. Another space which we have a customer call or potential call, prospect call on Friday, is to do with EdTech.
Yep.
Now, education requires, they've got tons of data, lectures, student information. They can't give that out. It's private. It has to be private. It's personal data, there's proprietary data, because universities have their own secret sauce about how they teach things, assignments, etc. So they are looking at how they can leverage Odyssey, but also put Odyssey in the hands of their students. Odyssey Anywhere. What they realized there was that if the Odyssey, the underlying power of Odyssey belongs to the university, but if the students are given role-based access to the browser plugin, Odyssey Anywhere, then they could start using it for their coursework to understand what lectures were said. Because it's multimodal, it doesn't matter if it was a recorded lecture, they can still extract insights from it and go to that part of the lecture. That's what we do in our source citations. They're in line. We can go to that part of that lecture. So we don't have to sift through 15-minute lecture to get to that 2-minute nugget that we're looking for. So all this is what they can harness. So that's a call we have. So these are the 3 areas we have the capacity and the bandwidth to focus on. That's still stretching us a bit, but it's going to show us how this can help across other domains as well. 3 domains: compliance, legal, and EdTech.